The package of ES100V electrosurgical generator. Unpack it now. All accessories in this white box. The generator host. Foot switch. User manual. Electrosurgical pencil. Bipolar forceps. The negative plate. Cable of negative plate and power cable. Generator host. User manual. Foot switch. The negative plate and its cable. Bipolar forceps. Monopolar pencil and power cable. Come to see the front panel. Green power switch. Port to connect to negative plate. Connect to the electrosurgical pencil. Connect the bipolar forceps. The yellow area is all cutting mounts. Pure cut. Blend cut 1. Blend cut 2. Select button to choose cutting mounts. 2 buttons to increase or decrease working power. The middle blue area is for coagulation function. Select button to choose 3 different coagulation modes. Spray and forced in monopolar modes. 1 standard bipolar coagulation mode. Switch those modes by pressing select button. Increase or decrease the working power. Main button is for saving doctor's common settings. Total 10 sets. And select any one of those 10 preset settings. The indicator of the negative plate. And the indicator of error operation. And also the alarm sound. It is all front panel. Come to the back. Power cable socket. Connect to ground. Knob to adjust the sound volume. Connect to surgical smoke evacuator. Connect to foot switch. The label. Plug in the power cable. Connect the foot switch. Pay attention to the pins inside. There is one wider mark. Align this mark to the top of port. Insert it in. And tighten it. Recommend to use surgical smoke evacuator in surgery. Connect the evacuator to this port. Next, we connect all cables and accessories. Okay, switch on the power. First, there is a self-check process. The indicator of negative plate lights on, showing it is on ready. We can choose working mode. The yellow cutting area. Press select the switch. Pure cut, blend cut 1, blend cut 2. Pure cut is 100% cutting. Blend cut 1 is 70% cutting with 30% coagulation. Blend cut 2 is 50% cutting and 50% coagulation. Increase or decrease the working power by these 2 buttons. Minimum power is 1 watt. The max output power is 100 watts. The max power of pure cut is 100 watts. Okay, it is cutting area. Come to the blue coagulation area. The blue indicator stops where we need. It is bipolar coagulation. And it is spray coagulation for coagulation of large-scale bleeding. Then the forced coagulation for rapid coagulation. Select button to switch modes we need and increase or decrease working power. And the right side. The memory button to save preset settings can store 10 sets. Select from 10 sets. Save doctor's common settings and select them whenever we need. The error indicator with alarm sound together. Come to the monopolar mode. The electrosurgical pencil is for monopolar mode with negative plate, yellow button for cutting, and blue button for coagulation. Need to use the negative plate together to form a current loop. And use this forceps in bipolar coagulation. Gentle coagulation and minimize the damage to tissue. Need to use the foot switch in bipolar coagulation. Need to switch the mode to bipolar standard. Press the blue pedal. We use pure cut mode. Press both the yellow button on handle or yellow pedal of foot switch. Close to see the incision. The smoke generated during cutting can be sucked away by smoke evacuator. Protect doctors and pets from smoke hazards during surgery. Coagulation in monopolar. Select spray or forced. Press both the blue button on handle or blue pedal of foot switch. Also can press the yellow pedal to cut. And blue pedal to coagulate. And bipolar coagulation for spot bleeding. Switch to bipolar standard mode. Need to use the foot switch. Increase the working power. It is gentle coagulation for spot bleeding.
you.